Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to another market vlog. Somebody say rush market. Rush market. Now you get me today because what I'm about to do in this market is breeze in and breeze out. I left as early as 8 a.m. this morning because I needed to finish and head back. Thankfully, even though the market was a bit empty, I was still able to see most of my customers that I could shop from. But anyways, as the video progresses, you guys are gonna see all those things inside the video. But how are you guys doing? Welcome to yet another market vlog. Deep sigh. What welcomed me to this market as I was heading to the UBA car park to collect my ticket and park was that I heard boom. My sound protector removed as I was just entering into the market, and it was not just funny at all. Hey, they were now about to charge me 4,000 naira to just fix the sound protector. I said no way, carry it, put inside my boots. I'm heading back to the house after this market. My husband is gonna do it for me.
Up with this.
Bam.
What is up with this scarf? What is going on?
I don't leave you for this market.
Mama Sadia.
They go find my laptop.
Loco.
Hey guys, good morning. You guys, welcome to another market vlog. I'm trying to wind up and I don't know what is happening. Okay, hallelujah. You guys, first of all, in this market my sound protector has pulled off. The person I parked to say okay, help me and fix it, the person is telling me 4,000. I said don't worry, when I get home my husband will help me sort it out because there are certain things that not concern me for inside car business. My own is to start the car and be going my way. But yeah, you guys, this market today, I don't want to say it's going to be a rush market, but I'm going to rush it up. And Chai is the one that I already sense that is going to really delay me in this market today. And I already know say we'll go fight.
I go finish before you.
Okay, no bet.
I go finish before you. We will be back.
No better. But anyways guys, it's time to start shopping. I also have to call my love so that she can come and wait for me. I don't want to waste time at all, so let's just head into the market and start shopping. But yeah, welcome to another market vlog and I hope you guys will enjoy watching. Hey guys, welcome to market vlog March edition. This is how you dress to the market. See it? In December, you could not even picture the car park like this at all. It was filled up to the brim. But look at spaces. But in fact, when we're even coming back, it became very full. But this is Chacha Baby, and we're just walking into the market together. Smellos market.
You will first perceive your rain.
Yes, smells. When they say Lagos smells, they will come out and say Lagos does not smell. But yeah, I'm heading to Orican Market because that's where I buy my provisions from. And of course, I'm gonna meet my love at the junction because she had already called her and she's waiting for me. I love this mama so much. She made life easy for me in December. And even my friends can testify, like people that I have referred this mama to. Like you can literally just say, Mama, let me go and check something in the market, and she will go there, she will check it, she will buy it, she will send it to you. Like she goes to other markets for me apart from this Orica market. So she goes to Oyinbo, she goes to other markets for me. But yeah, I stopped to buy provision in my provision lady store and she was not even around. But thankfully her sister was around and I went to her neighbor where I buy my biscuits from. I bought Costa biscuit because I don't do it fab. Like I don't chop and tire. It don't do me. That is changing so much. I don't even know. I came very early to the market, so the market is quite empty. I will not say empty. Even my lady that I buy my provisions for, she has not even come. I'm heading to buy Ribena. Hopefully that my lady is available. So I'm heading to buy Ribena and then cleaning items. You guys know my next place is also spices and also the weather is changing. I want to leave here before any rain falls. I don't know what was happening that they put canopy here, but anyways, I was walking to my Ribena lady's place. You guys know she died like some few months ago, but her shop is open. Yeah, big one too. How much? Big one. 5.8. No, small one too. I'm just really grateful to God that her family and friends took upon this business. My love! Wetin happen now?
So I just
Okay, yeah. So we go take arrange now.
don't worry, I'll let us arrange. Just sit down.
Nothing in the shop at all. Where your friend?
Hi everyone, this is Bouncy Sports and we're live at Okiari Market, Lagos Island.
So you pronounce that well. It's not Okiari.
It's the hair type for me.
Okiari Market. Not be Okiari.
Okiari.
You pronounce it well. Okay, then Okiari. You guys, just like my husband would say, everybody is Bouncy's love. But yeah, my customer I usually buy detergent from and cleaning items. She had just opened, thankfully. You guys, I told you I came very early to this market, but I was done with her and I started heading straight to where I buy my spices.
Oh yeah, good morning.
So this is my lady.
I beg, give me chair, my sit down. Sarah, 5.
You guys, there's no wasting time in this market today. Charm, I don't go. Semolina, the bag where they give me 7.5. Now waiting. Take this advice from the OG market guru. Don't you ever buy things that are on display. Ask them to bring the ones that are inside, like the ones that are inside the carton and all. That's what I do. I don't ever buy my items with things that have been displayed. So if you're going to the market for the first time, please take notes. But yeah, I was done with her and I decided to buy things, toothpaste and other things that I had not bought. But yeah, done here, bought some mangoes, walking to the car park, and Wasiu is not there. Wasiu have not come.
I'm done. Oh. I was about to say lucky day for me because Wasiu is not even around. You know, I came to this market very early because I needed to go back very early. I think I'll just call him now to send me to the house. I can't wait.
Hey God, I don't tire. I'm not tired that they were girl, but you guys typically here. I'm just getting back home. Let's get into our unboxing. I bought a carton of Ribena for 3,800. Cocoa Pops was 1,200 per sachet. Sachet of Milo 1,003. Dano 1,200. Sachet of Peak Roll was 1,008. Golden Mon was 4,200 naira. And water bottles for Kaito and Kaima was 1,800. Peanut butter was 2,700. Oat refill was 2,500 naira each. Dano 123 was 4,200. Nutella was 7,000 naira. A carton of onion indomie was 10.8. Yogurt was 3,005. Costa biscuits, a carton was 5,500. Choco rings for 4,005. Kitchen roll was 900 each. Premier bar soap was 2,500 for half a dozen. Hypo was 2,500. Mama Lemon was 1,800. Vim was 1,500. Sweet air freshener 1,200. Novex was 2,000 each. Viva detergent was 1,700. No beef and no chicken was 1,800. Sarah tin tomatoes was 800. Sachet Gino was 800 for a long sachet of 5. Spice City was 700 each. Sesame oil and sweet chili was 1.8. Curry was 700. Golden Terra oil 3.8. Look at this one. This is where we usually store it. I had to complain to my customer that when we opened our previous one, see what we saw inside. Worms.
Hey, where you put it? Ah! Don't bite me now.
Just see. See.
Who's the one that bites me?
So now that we are going to be using it, we'll use clean film and seal it up here first. When we pour it inside, when we pour this one inside, we'll use clean film, cover the mouth before we now use this cover and cover it.
5 kg golden seller was 17,000. This plantain was 3,000 naira. Custard paint of yellow gari was 2.5 each, and I bought 2 custard paints. 2 custard paints of honey beans was 6,000 naira. All these mangoes
cherry
was 3,000 naira that you can see in here. Tatashe and Shambo, all of it you can see in here, it cost me 5,000 naira because I intend to make more after this video. Liver and shaki that you can see inside this bowl was 4,000 naira for everything, 2k each. All the pomo you can see here is 5,000 naira. Cabbage was 500. I just needed very small. And all the vegetables that you can see here is 3,500 because I intend to make hot sauce and white rice, yes, for a twist. This Irish potato was 5,000 naira for a custard paint. A custard paint of sweet potato was 3,000 naira. A custard paint of red onions was 2.5, and I bought 2 custard paints. This tuber of yam was 3,000 each.
One of the yam was selling for 3,000 naira, and I bought 2 because I still have one that is remaining in my store. But yeah, I'm waiting for Wasiu to send me meat. I couldn't meet up with him today because I was rushing back home. Yeah, I even met a subscriber in the market. But anyways guys, this is all that I bought today in the market, and I'll let you guys know how much I bought each item, as you can already see on the screen, and the total amount. When Wasiu comes as well, I'll join the meat. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Wasiu, I'll say he cheated me today actually. All this beef sold for 40,000 naira, and I felt like it's because I told him to send to me to the house. If I was there, I would have not accepted to pay 40k for this. Anyways, my total spend for today was 453,000 naira. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.